Okay, when you use Mendeley, you will get 2 gigabytes personal storage, 100 MB share space, and also 25 users for private invite only group. For this class, I will only highlight the personal function only, okay, for Mendeley. Okay, I will not cover for this one. Okay, only for the personal use only. Okay, Mendeley have a two platform. Okay, we have Mendeley Reference Manager for desktop and also Mendeley Web. Okay, for the desktop version, you need to download and install it to your laptop or computer. Okay, it support Windows, Mac, and also Linux. Okay, for Mendeley Web, you can access the web version of your library, edit your profile, and search for the articles. Later, we'll go in details the differences between these two platforms. Okay, that's conclude for the introduction part. Okay, now let's go to create an account. Okay, in order for you to use Mendeley, you need to have an account. Okay, so I just go hands on. Okay, any question, feel free to ask. Okay. Okay, now you need to go to the Mendeley website. Okay, mendeley.com. Okay. Okay, for new user, you can click here, create account. Okay, for the existing user, you can just sign in. Okay, you can use your personal email or you can use UPM email. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, then please click continue. Okay, do not click sign in via institution. Okay, because I already told you UPM did not subscribe to the Mendeley. Okay, we use the free version. Okay, please click continue. If you click sign in via institution, okay, you might have problem to access your account later. Okay. So, when you click continue, you need to fill up some information. Okay, then you can click register. Anyone has problem to create account? Okay. So, I already have an account, so I click sign in. Okay, when you successfully create account, this is the interface that you will see. Okay, you see here the search function, the library function, and your personal profile. Okay, now this is the web version of the Mendeley. Okay, when you click your profile, you click setting. Okay, under the account, okay, here you can put your picture, edit or add your personal detail. Okay, I just want to highlight under the subscription. Okay, we use the free version. Okay, when we use the free version, Mendeley give us 2 gigabyte personal storage. Here you can monitor your space. Okay, currently I already use 106 MB out of 2 gigabyte. Okay, this is where you can monitor your storage. Okay. Okay, when you click the library, Okay, for new user, your library will be empty. Okay. Currently, I have 275 references. Okay, this is the list of references that I add into my library. Okay, you see 275. If you still remember, I only use 106 MB. Means that you can store a lot in the Mendeley library. Okay, right now, I just want to make you familiar with the Mendeley library interface. Later, we will go into the detail, the function for each features. Okay, on the right, you see here filter. Okay, you can filter your references. You also can filter by author and also by tagging. Okay, you see here, this is my personal tagging. Okay, later I will tell you what is the function of tagging. Okay, and how to create your own tagging. Okay, here for the search, you can search the references in the library. Okay, for example, you just enter your keyword, for example, COVID. It will list all the references that contain the word COVID in the title, in the abstract, and also in the full text. Okay, here in the middle, okay, this is the list of references. Okay, when you click this one, okay, it will appear the pop-up information. Okay, the detail, the bibliography detail of your references. Okay. Okay, here, this icon mean that these references have the PDF attachment. Okay. This article, these references, you see here, these references did not have the icon, mean this article, these references only have the bibliographic information only. Okay, now we move to the left. Okay, add new. Here is the where you will use when you want to add the references into your library. Okay, there are many methods. We will learn it later. Okay, now this is the navigation. Okay, left side more on navigation. All references mean it will list all the references we add. Recently added, okay, the recently references we just added. Recently read, okay, favorite, okay, you can mark your favorite articles, okay. Collection, collection means folder. Okay, collection means folder. Okay, you can create your own folder. Okay, different folder might have a different list of references. Okay, later I will show you how you can create folder and the importance. Okay, by creating this folder. Okay, so far any question? Any question so far? Okay, now go back to the slide. Okay, I already covered the account setting. Okay, now installation. Okay, installation is for Mendeley Reference Manager for desktop. Okay, Mendeley Reference Manager for desktop. Okay, the installation is option. Okay, it's not compulsory. Okay, why I said it option? Okay, because before that I will show you where you can download the software. Okay, this one under your under this Mendeley web, you can click here under your profile name, download Mendeley. Then you can click here, okay, and follow the instruction. When you successfully create the account, okay, the icon will be appear in your desktop. Okay, when you click this icon, okay, you need to log in with the same email and password like you register. Okay. Okay, maybe let me try again. Okay, you see here, the interface are same. Okay, the number of references also same. Okay, you see here 275. Here is also 275. Okay, the only difference between the desktop version and the web version is the desktop version you can access it offline. Okay, you can access it offline. Okay, for the Mendeley web, of course, you need the internet access. Okay, for the Mendeley desktop, you need to set it first. Okay, you click here, the three dot, make available offline. Okay, when you click make available online, make available offline means that you can access your library through offline. Okay, that is the only difference between Mendeley Reference Manager web version, desktop version and the web version. Okay, it's up to you. You can install if you want. Okay. If you don't want to install also, that's okay. Okay. That's all for the installation. Okay, Mendeley Library, I already covered the Mendeley Library, the interface. Okay, any question before I move to the adding references? Okay, this is one of the important part to use Mendeley. Okay, any questions so far? Any question? No question. Okay. No. Okay, thank you. Okay, now adding references. Okay, there are 6 methods of adding references into Mendeley. Okay, but for this class, I only focus few of it. Okay, I will focus on the add files from computer, drag and drop PDF, add entry manually, and also Mendeley web importer. Okay, the other 2 methods, Mendeley catalog and import file from your computer, you can explore by yourself. Okay, now the first one, add files from computer. Okay. For add file from computer, okay, you need to have the PDF file in your computer. Okay. How to add PDF file into your computer? Just click add new. You go to the library, your own library, click add new. Files from computer. Okay, you can choose one or multiple PDF to be added into your library. Okay, for example, these 3 PDF I want to add, I click open. Okay, you see here, the references is uploaded into my library with the PDF attachment. Okay, this is the upload file. Okay, you need to have the PDF files in your computer. Now we move to the next method, drag and drop. Okay, for drag and drop, you just minimize your windows. Okay, drag and drop also, you need to have the PDF in your computer. Okay, you can just drag and drop. Okay, for example, these two, drag and drop. Okay. For this method also, the PDF and the references will be uploaded into your library. Okay, simple. Okay, now for the add entry manually. Okay, for add entry manually is usually when you refer to the printed sources. Okay, printed sources such as book or printed articles. Okay, and you cannot find the bibliographic information from the internet. So you need to use the add entry manually. Okay, to use add entry manually, you need some skill. Okay, you need some skill. Okay, because different format of information have a different bibliographic information. Okay, so you need to know the details about the manual citation. Okay, I want to suggest you one website. Okay, apastyle.apa.org. I put the link on the chat box. Okay, you can access it. Okay, under this website, okay, if you use APA style, okay, you can click here, style and grammar guideline. Under the references, okay, you can click reference example. Okay, when you see here, there are many examples of the citation. Okay, you see here, there are journal article, magazine, books, e-books, report by government, okay, ISO standard, thesis, okay. PowerPoint slide from a PowerPoint slide or lecture note, okay, on social media also, okay, you can refer this website, okay, when you do the manual add entry manually. Okay, for example, you refer to the printed journal, you can click here, journal article. Okay, you need to know the bibliographic information. Okay, what are needed? The author's name, year of publication, title, journal title, volume, issue, page number. Okay, so if you already know the field that need to be filled, okay, you can go to the Mendeley library, add new, add entry manually. Then you can choose the type of information. Okay, for example, journal article, title, for example, okay, you need to refer to the original sources. This is just the example. Okay, you need to know the rules of capital letter and small letter. Okay. Okay, then the author's name. Okay, when you fill up the author's name, you also need to know the rules of author's name. Okay, for example, my name. Okay, I'm a Malay. Okay, Malay don't have the family name. Okay, so just enter my name directly. Okay, this one is used for the Malay name, for the Malaysian Indian, okay. you can use this rule. Okay. If the Chinese name, okay, have the family name, for example, Li Chin Chin. Okay, after the family name, please put the comma. Okay. For the English name also same. Okay. This is the family name. You put comma and you put the first name. Okay. You need to list all the author. Okay. Journal. Okay. For example, Journal of City Planning year, maybe 1937. Volume. Okay, if the article have an issue, you can put. If there is no issue, you can leave it blank. Okay. Month, day, and abstract, you can skip it. Okay, because this is not the compulsory field at entry. Okay. This one. So the new entry, the new references will be added into your library. Okay, any question? Okay, I already put the website link at the chat box. Okay, you can refer to the link. Any questions so far? Okay. For the add entry manually, okay, please refer to this website, okay, as your guideline. Okay. And the last method is Mendeley Web Importer. Okay, Mendeley Web Importer is a very easy one, but you need to install it into your web browser. Okay. How to install it? Okay, you can just Google it. Okay, for example, if you use Chrome, you can type Mendeley Web Importer Chrome. Okay, what is Mendeley Web Importer? You can import paper, web pages and other document directly into your reference library from the search engine and academic databases. Mendeley Web Importer is available for all major web browsers. Okay, I'm sure all of you, when you do assignment, thesis, you use the online resources. So that's why the Mendeley Web Importer is a very useful to you. Okay, you just click here and just follow the instruction. Okay, after you successfully install, this icon will be appear in your web browser. Okay, I installed it also in my Mozilla. Okay, you can install into the browser that you frequently use. Okay. So this is how you download. So now I want to show you how you can use it. Okay. For example, we go to the library website. We go to the easy access. I hope all of you know what is easy access. Okay, easy access is where you can access our online databases. Okay, you can log in using your UPM ID. Okay, I just want to show you only one example, Science Direct. Okay, Science Direct, it is one of the most popular database, okay, in UPM. Many students use it. Okay, for example, I search for this one, environment policy. Okay, this is my search result in this page. Okay, you can see here 25 article. Okay, 25 articles. Then you click your Mendeley Web Importer. Okay, if you did not sign to the Mendeley account, please sign. Okay, please sign in. Okay, you see here 25 references detected on this page. Okay, here you before you start adding the references, please read the article. Okay, only add the articles that relevant to you. Okay, if you only if you only add based on the title, okay, later when you read, the articles are not relevant to you, you need to clean up your library. Okay, we don't want you to waste your time to clean up your library, okay, to move the irrelevant article into the trash. Okay, make sure you read it and only the relevant article add into your library. Okay, for example, you already read, okay, you want this article, okay, this article, okay, this article, okay, and this article, okay. Then you can select where you want to be at. Okay, if you already have the folder, you can add into the particular folder. If you did not have a folder, you can choose my library, okay, to add the references. Then you click add. Okay, I add 3 new references. You see here, already added into my account. Okay, when you see here, PDF and reference mean it upload two things, the bibliographic information and also the PDF. Okay, if the web importer only tick for the reference, means that it only add the bibliographic information only. Okay. Yes, for import file option, does it work in export CSV function? Yes, you can download RIS from the IEEE. Okay, IEEE Science Direct. Okay, you click here, you see here export. You can see here export citation to RIS. Okay, I just show you the most popular method. Okay, then the other one you can explore. But if you have any question regarding the other two method, you can ask me. Okay. Okay, after you already add the references into your library, okay, please double check. Okay, because Mendeley is just a tool. Okay, it's not perfect. Okay, it's not perfect. So you need to check the bibliographic information. Okay, if the information is incomplete, you need to complete it. Okay, if the information is incorrect, you need to correct it. Okay, how? But I suggest you, okay, every time you add the new references, please check, okay, because if you want to check all these 275, okay, in one time, okay, you will be exhausted, okay. So every time you add new references, please check, okay. Okay, for example, okay, for this one, okay, this one, the information is incorrect, okay, it did not follow the APA style rule, okay, then you click here. Okay, for the APA style, you need to know the capital letter and small letter, okay? Because the Mendeley only extract the information, okay? It didn't know, okay, the rules of it, okay? It will not change automatically. You need to change by yourself, okay, manually. Okay, for this one, you need to change. Okay, if the word is scientific name, okay, you can You can use the capital letter. Okay. Okay, for example, for this one. Okay, then the author's name. Okay, you need to when you edit the citation, you need to refer to the original sources. Okay. Just click the particular box that you want to edit. Okay, for example, I want to edit the title. Okay, I put my cursor in the this box. Okay, if I want to edit the author's name, I can click this box. Okay, then this one, Asian Social Science. Okay, correct. Volume 17, number 8, also correct. 2021, also correct. You see here, the page number is incomplete. Okay, you need to check 30 until 37. Okay. Make sure your references is correct. Okay, before you cite what you write. Okay. Okay, that's all for the adding references. For add references, you can choose any of this method. Okay, maybe if you use the online sources, okay, maybe you can use the Mendeley web importer. Okay, maybe if you want to read the article first, okay, you save the PDF into your computer, okay, you can use add file from computer or you can drag and drop PDF. Okay. If you refer to the printed material, please use add entry manually. Okay. Any question? Any question, everyone? No. Okay. Thank you for the response. Okay. If there is no question, we move to the next part. Searching and organizing references. Okay. Organizing references is very important, okay, in order for you to retrieve the information, to retrieve the references, okay. Search, I already cover, okay, during the intro part, okay. You just enter your own keyword, then it will search through the title, abstract, and also PDF, okay. Now I want to use to show you about the filters. Okay, the function is to organize your references. Okay, this is your own tagging. Okay, you can create your own tagging. Okay, for your article. Okay, different tagging might have a different articles. Okay, it's up to you how you want to tag your articles. Okay, so now let me show you how you can take your references. Click the articles. Okay, you already read the article. Okay, for this one, maybe you want to take it under the farmers. Okay, under the farmers. Okay, this one. You can add as many as you want, okay, for the tagging. For this one, I take this article, farmer and warehouse receipt system, okay. Tagging is something that you know what is this word refer to, okay. Maybe you can use tagging chapter 1, okay, it's up to you. Okay, either you can tagging using the subject, okay, subject of the articles, or you can tagging by chapter, okay, as long as you can retrieve back your article. Okay, when you want to know the references that used in the chapter 1, okay, you just go to the filter, go to tagging, and click chapter 1. So it will list all the article that under the chapter 1 tagging. Okay, filter. Okay, okay, you also can delete. Okay, for example, you want to delete this tagging. You think this keyword is unnecessary, just delete. Okay, this article only have tagging chapter 1 and warehouse receipt system. Okay, this is how you use the tagging function. Now we move to the collection. Collection is like the folder. Okay, you create the folder to organize your collection. Okay, I have a long list of references. Okay, for undergraduate, you have many subject. Okay, many assignment. So you can use the collection to organize your references based on your assignment. Okay, for example, you click here, new collection. For example, FYP. Okay, when you want to create new collection, please do not use your mouse or cursor. You need to click enter. If you use your cursor, you see, no new collection. Okay, you need to use enter. You see here, new folder. For subfolder, you click here, new collection, same, chapter 1, click enter. New collection, chapter 2, enter. Okay, you also can create the subfolder in chapter 1, okay, using this function. It's up to you how you want to organize your references. Okay, now I already have the folder. So how I want to move the particular references into the selected folder, to the particular folder. Okay, you can drag and drop. Okay, the first step, the first way you can drag and drop. Okay, for example, you want to put these references in the chapter 2. You can here. You see here? Or you can choose from the list. Okay, you can pick. Okay, for example, for this one, you click here, organize, add to collection. Then you can move to the folder. Okay, maybe you want to move, you want to put these references into the chapter 1. You use in the chapter 1 and chapter 2. You tick here and add. So, new list will be added into the library. Okay, it's up to you how you want to organize your library. Okay, easy. Okay, easy. Searching and organizing. Now we move to the next one. If you have any question, feel free to ask, okay? Don't feel shy. Now we move to the reading and annotating document. Okay, reading and annotating document. You can read using Mendeley and make the notes. But in order for you to read in Mendeley, you need to have the PDF file. Okay, without the PDF file, okay, you cannot read and make an annotation in Mendeley. Okay, need have the PDF files. Okay, how to make annotation? Just click your PDF to read. Okay, this is your PDF. Then you read. Okay, for example, this one. Okay, this paragraph is important. So you click here, you highlight it. Okay, then you left click, sticky note. Maybe you can put include in chapter 3. Okay. So, when you read again, Okay, this result. Okay, maybe you highlight this. Sticky note. This one include in discussion. Maybe include. It's up to you what kind of notes you want to use. Include in discussion. Okay. So when you click info, okay, under the annotation, okay, it will list all the notes you add in this article. Okay, you can refer it back, the list of notes that you make for this article in case you forgot. Okay. Okay, still no question. Okay, now we move to the next one. Mendeley site. Okay, we almost in the finishing line. Okay, we already in the topic number 9, Mendeley site. Okay, Mendeley site is a compatible with Microsoft Office 365, Word Online, Microsoft Word version 2016 and above, and with the Microsoft Word apps for iPad. Okay, Mendeley site is a very important if you want to do site while you write, okay, in your Microsoft Word. You need to install it into your Microsoft Word. Okay, in order to install it, your computer must fulfill this requirement. Okay, if your computer are not compatible, okay, do not follow this requirement, you cannot install the Mendeley site. Okay, for student, UPM provide Microsoft Office 365 for student for free. Okay, you can contact the iJack, okay, to install it into your computer. Okay, I think you just need to log in with your UPM ID. Okay. If you use the correct version of the Microsoft Office, you also will face trouble when you want to add Mendeley site into Microsoft Word. Okay, many students come to us. I cannot install Mendeley site. When we investigate, they use the correct software. Correct software, we cannot do anything if you want to install the Mendeley site. Okay. The another option, please use Microsoft Office 365. Okay, that provide by UPM to the student. Okay, how to install it? This is your Microsoft Word. You click here, insert. You can click my add-in or get add-ins. Okay, then enter Mendeley site. Okay, enter Mendeley site. Then you can just add, follow the instruction. Okay. Then when you successful, you click under the references. Okay, this icon will be appear, Mendeley site. Okay, I hope all of you will not face problem. Okay, when you install the Mendeley site. Okay, when you already install the Mendeley site. Okay, now we move to the last chapter. Now we can add citation and bibliography in your Word. Okay. Under the add citation, okay, I want to show you the 3 example for the in-text citation, parenthetical citation, narrative citation, and also the quotation. Okay. The first one, I want to show you the parenthetical citation. Parenthetical citation is where the authors and the year of publication in the bracket. Okay. Okay. I click Mendeley site. Okay, you need to log in with the same email and password. Okay. 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 So you see here, this is the list of references. Here appear here, the same list in my library. Okay. When you click all references, you will see here the collection. Okay. If you have the particular folder, okay, you can click it, then it will easy for you to add the references. Okay, compare, you want to search under the all references. Okay. Okay, now how to add the references? Okay, just put your cursor where you want to add. Okay, example for this one. If you refer more than one sources, you can click the other sources. Okay, you see here, I click these two sources, insert to citation. So it will be automatically added in your Word. Okay. This is parenthetical citation. Okay. Parenthetical citation. Okay. If you only refer to one sources, okay, just click here. Okay, maybe for this one, insert one citation. Okay, this is how you insert in-text citation, okay, using the parenthetical citation. Okay, now narrative citation. Okay, for the narrative citation, the author's name will be outside from the bracket. Okay, usually you will use this in-text citation, okay, when you want to refer to the opinion of somebody. According to as stated by, okay, so you need to use the narrative citation. Okay, when you do the narrative citation, usually I will give some spaces before I add the references. Okay, because the Mendeley box is quite sensitive. Okay. Example for this one, insert citation. Okay. Usually I will copy the author's name. I just copy the author's name. Okay, please do not cut and paste. Okay, you cut the author's name here, then you paste it here. Please do not use the method cut and paste. Okay, because if you cut and paste, it will the link. Okay, the Mendeley link will be missed. Okay, please do not the cut and paste function. Okay, click here the box. You click here, Share Hub 2021, suppress author, save changes. Okay. Then you go in front of it and paste the author's name. Okay. Here. You need to use the suppress author function for the narrative citation. Okay. Please do not cut and paste the author's name. Okay. Any question? Any question? You want me to repeat anything? Okay, for the narrative and parenthesis in text parenthetical citation and also narrative citation. Okay, I will not go into the detail when you want to use it. Okay, I'm sure you will learn during your research methodology class. Okay, in this class, I just want to show you how you can add the parenthetical citation and also the narrative citation. Okay, if you already finished, okay, even though you are not finished, you still can generate the bibliography. References. Okay. So you can put here references. You click here the three dots, insert bibliography. Continue. Okay, then it will list all the references that you use in your assignment. Okay. Even though you are not finished, not complete your work, okay, you can still add the references. Okay, for example, I want to add it here. Okay, insert citation. Okay, from Z. So you see here automatically added in the list. Okay, so you don't need to worry. Okay, it will automatically added. Okay, if we want to delete, okay, you see here, save changes, automatically remove from the list. Okay, no need to worry, but you need to double check. Okay, now I want to show you how you want to add page number. Okay, for the page number, usually for the quotation. Okay, just insert citation. You see here automatically added. You click this box. You see here page. Okay, you need to put the page number where this statement appear in this article. Okay, for example, in page 45, save changes. Okay, you see here the page number are added. Okay, the page number are added. So here is how you can add references and also the bibliography. Okay. I hope you still remember. I said that you need to. You need to edit your references from your library to ensure your reference is correct. Okay, because if your references is incorrect, you need to edit it. Okay, we don't want you to edit in this page. Okay, so that's why I ask you to edit before you start adding the references. Okay, sometimes, okay, this is the APA citation. Okay, if you want to change the citation, you click here, citation setting. Change citation style. Okay, if you use the MLA, is there any MLA here? Okay, MLA, you need to search for another style. Okay, modern. Okay, for example, Modern Language Association 9th edition. Okay, sometimes, for example, I am not mistaken, FBMK use modern language. So if you use modern language, you can choose here, update citation. So, you see here, it will follow the MLA citation style. Okay, you also can change back to the original one, the APA, update citation. Okay, this is how you can use the Mendeley. Okay, when you use the Mendeley, you can save time. Okay, when you use when you do the citation. Okay, because some lecturer, when you submit your assignment, they will check the bibliographic list first, okay, whether it's correct or not. Okay, if incorrect, they will return your assignment no matter how good your content. Okay, that is how important the reference in the assignment. Okay, any question? How to install, okay, Mendeley site. Okay, for the Mendeley site, you click here, insert. You click here, insert. You click get add-in, Mendeley. Mendeley or Mendeley site, okay, it will appear, Mendeley site. Then just click add and follow the instruction. Okay, it will appear, the icon will be appear in the reference section. Okay. Okay, any other question? Okay, another question before I want to ask you to fill up the evaluation form. Any question? It failed. Okay. Maybe you need to check the Mendeley site. Okay, your word. Okay, your word fulfill or not this requirement. Okay. You need to use Microsoft Word version 2000 and above. Okay, if your okay, before that, even you use the 2016 and above, okay, you need to use the original one. Okay, if you use the correct, mostly you will fail to add the Mendeley site into your computer or laptop. Okay. If you use the original version but still face the failure, okay, face the same problem, you unable to install the Mendeley site, okay, please contact your liaison. Okay, Kalai, which faculty you are from? Okay, Medi. Okay, maybe you can meet Madam Akiza. Okay, maybe she can look into the details of your software. Okay. Okay, if there is no question, I just want to inform you. Okay, if you still need more consultation, need more assistance using the Mendeley, please contact your own liaison. Okay, you can come to us, make appointment. Okay, by call this number or email us. Okay, then you can have the personal consultation with your liaison. Okay, you need to meet your own liaison. Okay, this is for the branch library. Okay, we have someone from the engineering. Okay, FRSB, vet, medic, and also Bintulu. Okay, just contact us. We will try to entertain your problem. Okay. Okay, this is just quick announcement. Okay, this is the vendor class next week. Okay. You can register this class. Okay, the online registration, online form are already open. Online registration are already open. Okay, you can learn details, okay, on how to search from these databases. Okay, this one is free and we conduct it online. Okay, this is how you can contact us: WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or TikTok. But make sure within the office hour. Okay, if you contact us outside the office hour, okay, we will get back to you the next day. Okay. Okay, I think my colleague already put the evaluation link at the chat box. Okay, you can click the link. Okay, I want your feedback by attending these classes, these courses. Okay. Date is 27. Time 2:30 and 3:30. Online class. Okay, my name is Nabila Mendeley. Okay, then you can tick your category of participant. Okay, your faculty. Okay, you can read this statement. Okay, you can read this statement. On the right is strongly agree. On the left is strongly disagree. Okay. Please rate my class fairly. And if you have any suggestion, opinion, or comment,